Understanding Scriptwriting, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of scriptwriting. Whether you're a budding writer or just curious about how scripts come to life, this video will explore the basics and nuances of scriptwriting in an easy-to-understand manner. So, let's get started. Scriptwriting, also known as screenwriting, is the art of writing scripts for films, television shows, plays, and other performance-based media. It involves crafting dialogues, character development, and plotting storylines. Unlike other forms of writing, scriptwriting has a unique format and style that caters to visual storytelling. It's not just about what characters say, but also about how they say it and the actions they perform. A script typically consists of several key elements. 1. Dialogue, the spoken words of the characters. 2. Action, descriptions of what happens in the scene. 3. Scene headings, indicate the location and time of day. 4. Character names, placed above their dialogue. 5. Parentheticals, brief directions for the actors. Understanding these elements is crucial for effective scriptwriting. Each element plays a role in bringing the story to life. Scriptwriting has a specific format. This includes 12-point Courier font, standard for readability and timing, margins and spacing, specific requirements for dialogue, action, and scene headings. Page numbering, usually in the top right corner. The format ensures that one page of the script roughly equals 1 minute of screen time. For those interested in scriptwriting, here are some tips. Read scripts. Understand different styles and genres. Practice regularly. Like any skill, scriptwriting improves with practice. Understand your characters. Develop deep and interesting characters. Create compelling dialogues. Natural and engaging conversations are key. Learn the rules, then break them. Once you understand the basics, don't be afraid to experiment. We hope this video has shed some light on the art of scriptwriting. Whether you aim to write your own script or just enjoy films and plays more deeply, understanding scriptwriting enriches your appreciation of storytelling. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.